Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Draw.io. This is a simple yet effective way to customize your diagrams and make them stand out. Whether you're creating flowcharts, organizational charts, or any other visual content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in Draw.io. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Start button and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing the full diagram editor where all the magic happens. After clicking Start, the site will redirect you to a new tab. This is where you'll be able to create and edit your diagrams with all the tools and features Draw.io has to offer. Take a moment to let the page fully load before proceeding to the next step. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find a panel labeled Diagram. This panel is where you can access various settings and customization options for your entire diagram, not just individual elements. It's an important section to familiarize yourself with if you want to control the overall look and feel of your work. Within the diagram panel, scroll down until you see an option labeled Background Color. You'll notice there's a checkbox beside it. Go ahead and click on this checkbox. This action activates the background color feature, allowing you to change the default white background to something more suited to your needs. Once you've checked the box, a color picker will appear on your screen. This tool gives you the freedom to choose from a wide range of colors. Browse through the options and select the color that best fits your diagram's purpose or aesthetic. Whether you want a subtle shade or something bold and eye-catching, the choice is entirely yours. After you've selected your desired color, look for the Apply button and click it. This finalizes your selection and instantly updates your diagram's background to reflect the new color. You'll see the change take effect immediately across your entire workspace, and that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Draw.io, giving your diagram a fresh, personalized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.